cooking challenge.
And this competition, as you all know, is a cooking competition, right? The first thing I want to do is I want to big up our sponsor for this event, brought to you by Fire Maple. Let's give them a big round of applause. I would like to introduce you to our representative, the main man from Fire Maple, as well as our first judge.
I'm very glad to have all of you here. Good vibe, beautiful beach, nice sunrise this morning. And what Fire Maple going to do today is like, we will give you guys to try out all our gears, right? So we provide the main gears like the pan, the stove, the cookware, the gas.
What we're going to do is we're going to reveal the secret ingredient. Whoa! Your secret ingredient is tortilla chips and hard shell tacos. Okay, Robin, June, a lot of things are happening right now.
Oh yes.
Okay, but who do you think has a good chance?
This kakak over there,
Yeah.
she is deep frying a whole ikan siaka.
Wow.
Can you imagine that? And I think they're gonna make ikan siaka tiga rasa.
Oh my
Awesome.
goodness. Okay, so how will your equipment handle that?
They are adding in some of their own gears in there, which is very much localized,
Yeah.
for Malaysia.
Yeah.
So let's see how that pan is going to work out and help them on the fish.
I look forward to that as well.
And there's also a team that's making dose.
You saw that team?
Okay, we're gonna go and see what some of the contestants are gonna cook. Alright, so over here, oh my goodness, I can smell it already. Can I ask what's on the menu? Chicken curry and toast. Oh my goodness.
What the hell is this? RBB, Rompin beach bag. Gosh, and then you got the rendang, and then you got this. How are you guys feeling with the Fire Maple gear? Is it easy to use? Strong, huh?
Yeah, the fire is really fast. Yeah.
Man, this looks like professional, okay? I don't know. I feel like I just walked into a Mexican restaurant or something, you know, with your setup and everything like that.
Actually say this is my first time.
You're already taking this to the next level. Good luck, guys.
Thanks.
Oh, sure. Alright. We gotta figure things out. Who knows after COVID? Welcome back to the cooking competition here at the Rompin Beach Bash, brought to you by Fire Maple! We're gonna go group by group, okay?
Winners will be announced tonight.
Alright, well done everybody. Congratulations on completing your cooking challenge.
The food looks amazing, alright?